Hi, Dr. Nevel again here with Sport and Spinal Rehab in Jupiter, Florida. Today we're going to demonstrate a technique called the Graston technique, which is a technique to break up scar tissue. But before we begin, I'm going to explain to you how scar tissue forms, because most people think that scar tissue is just secondary to surgery. Most of the time, scar tissue is formed because of either a macro trauma or a micro trauma. Macro traumas are big traumas such as pulled muscles and car accidents, whereas micro traumas may be more like a forward head carriage or repetitive stress injuries such as tennis elbow, some rotator cuff issues. Long term, as that healing starts to begin in the muscle, the scar tissue decreases range of motion, decreases muscle function, and ultimately causes pain for the patient. So today we're working on this patient who's having some trouble with scar tissue in her neck after a car accident. So we begin by putting some emollient onto the skin to allow the Graston tools to slide over it. Now what's especially nice about the Graston tools is that they pick up the vibration from the scar tissue, so I can feel exactly where the scar tissue adhesions are. So after the emollient spread evenly over this, we're breaking all this up, and you'll see in here her skin's starting to get red. And what's happening is that the Graston is creating a histamine response in the skin. Now we can only break up so much scar tissue per treatment, because eventually this histamine response may actually cause some light bruising or some occasionally heavy bruising. That's why you have to make sure that the patient isn't on any blood thinners such as Coumadin or warfarin. If an area needs more specific work, a smaller instrument's used. The instruments come in all different shapes and sizes for different injuries and different parts of the body. The Graston technique is great for a variety of conditions, but to name a few: neck pain, low back pain, IT band syndrome, plantar fasciitis, rotator cuff issues, and carpal tunnel syndrome. We offer a free consultation to figure out how we can help you living pain-free. The Graston technique is just one of our therapies that we offer here at Sport and Spinal Rehab in Jupiter, Florida.